Hello everyone, we will show you the application of ultrasonic food cutting system in food cutting. The ultrasonic food cutting system has high cutting efficiency. Different from traditional cutting, ultrasonic cutting utilizes vibration to generate energy for work, without the need for sharp blades or too much pressure, and it can quickly and accurately cut food. The cutting surface is smooth, no cross-color, no slag. Easy to operate and safe to use. It is widely used to cut most products with different thicknesses and hardness, such as toast, bread, cake, cheese, frozen food, etc. It is also suitable for baked food such as cream-layered cakes, cheese, ham sandwiches, etc. Learn more, please follow me.